This is Drell. Drell was born February 22nd, 2000 in Richmond, Virginia. He is 20 years old and he grew up with a single mother of 4 kids. Drell never went to college, didn't have any handouts, no mentors or guidance when it comes to business and entrepreneurship. Not only that, he was taught growing up that the only way to make it out was to go to college, rap, sell drugs, or be an athlete. But Drell said fuck all that and went on his own path. So how did Drell end up making $30K in a month at age 20 years old with just using his mind and hustling? Well, Drell has this thing called multiple streams of income, 11 to be exact. Let's talk about it. So the first income stream that I want to cover in this video comes from my Drell Jones YouTube channel. Now, YouTube is a great way to make some money online, so I highly encourage you guys to start a YouTube channel. Now, as you can see, this channel has almost 22,000 subscribers on it, and in December, I made almost $1,700. Well, December isn't over yet, so by the end of December, I'll make around $1,800 from this channel, because if we go to the revenue, it's actually going up. So as you can see, I ain't posted a single video in December, but I still been making consistent money from this channel. That's the power of YouTube. Like, you can upload some videos and those videos will still be making you money months, if not years down the line. And if we actually go to revenue, we can see like month by month, right? July, $1,800, $1,500, $1,800, $1,500, $1,600, and then so far this month I'm gonna hit about $1,800 again without a single video uploaded. But look, check me out, next year 2021 I'm gonna be uploading like 3 videos a week on this channel, so make sure y'all click the link in the description below to subscribe to this channel. But yeah, that's income stream number 1, the Drell Jones YouTube channel. Income stream number 2 comes from the Black Hustlers Club YouTube channel, BAC. You know what I'm saying? For the culture, baby. This channel has been going absolutely crazy. So I just want to say thank you for all the love and support on this channel. Because you can see, like, this channel is almost at 60,000 subscribers. And you got to keep in mind, like, the Drell Jones channel, right? I started that channel a whole year before I started this channel. And that channel only had 22K. This channel is almost at 60K in a year. So it's crazy how fast this channel is growing. And you can see in December, I made almost $12,000 in December so far. So by the end of December, I should make around like $13,000 from this channel. Cause you can see, yesterday, Sunday, I made, well, that's 2 days ago now. It's actually later day. But on Sunday, you can see I made $787 in a single day with YouTube. Like, I know channels with like 1 million subscribers that are not seeing these numbers. And the main reason for that is because of the CPM on my channel, right? You can see the CPM is almost $50. Now the CPM is how much you're getting paid per 1,000 views. So if I get 1,000 views, that's $50 per 1,000 views. And then after YouTube takes its cut, it's $27 per 1,000 views, right? But look, if we add my first channel and my second channel together, we could make over $15,000 every single month just from YouTube ads, man. I still got more income streams to show y'all. This is just my YouTube ad revenue, making over $15,000. Now y'all know I don't just do YouTube. I'm a hustler, baby. I got multiple income streams. Now the next income streams, the next 4 actually come from Instagram. So let me pull up Instagram account number 1. So the first page that I'll be making money from on Instagram is called Save Money by Black. Now as you can see, this page right here has 77,000 followers on it, and I started posting on this account August 19th. So in about 4 months, I got 77K on this page, and this page be bringing me over $4,000 a month. I'll be making almost $4,000 just from promos on this page. Like, I can actually show you guys proof in a minute, but I want to show you guys the page real quick. I just be posting things like this, getting good engagement and everything like that on the page. Almost 7,000 likes on this photo right here. So this is page number 1, and let me actually show you guys proof of income on this page real quick. Alright, so I'm on this Save Money by Black PayPal account, right? And as you can see, in December, I made $3,500 just from promos on that page. Like, this is not counting affiliate marketing or anything else I'll be doing to make money on that page, just from promos. Now, I started this account in August, like I said, so let me go to quarterly so you can see how much I was making. In October, $1,600, November, $2,300, and then so far this month, $3,500, like I said, from promos, just from promos. Now, as you can see, the money is keep going up and up and up every single month. So as long as I keep posting on that page and growing the page, the money will continue to rise from doing promos on that page. So that just goes to show you, like, you don't have to just do YouTube, you can do Instagram as well. And this, you don't even have to show your face or anything like that. So if you guys want to see a video on me teaching you guys how to grow Instagram accounts and YouTube channels, leave a comment in the comment section below. But yeah, that page right there, I made over $4,000 in total this month from. But that's income stream number 3. Let's move on to income stream number 4. The 4th income stream comes from the Black Hustlers Club Instagram account. Now, as you can see, this account right here, this is my baby. I started this account about a year ago, and it's already at almost 350,000 followers on it, which is insane. Like, this whole brand has been growing extremely fast. So like I said, once again, thank you for all the love and support. But I monetize this account in a couple different ways. So I'll be doing affiliate marketing, I'll be selling shirts, I'll be promoting my YouTube channel, I'll be doing promos. Like, there's a couple different ways I'll be monetizing this account right here. Let me see if I got any promos up. I do right here. So this is a promo right here. I don't do too many promos on this page because I just want to keep the brand clean and everything like that. But I definitely make a couple $1,000s every single month just from promos on this page as well. Income stream number 5 comes from this page right here, and it's called Culture Motivation. It has 52K followers on it. For the culture, man. You know I gotta make a page for the culture. I had to. Now this is actually one of my older pages. I just rebranded it and everything like that. And we just started doing promos on this page this month, right? So as you can see, I got a couple promos up now. And if you notice, this is the same post from the Black Hustlers Club, right? So that's one thing that you could do. You could like bundle your pages together and do like a package deal. And that's one way that you can make more money from promos and everything like that. So that's just a little tip for y'all. And if you enjoy this video and if you enjoy me like being transparent, showing you guys all my pages and everything like that, drop a like on this video for the culture, man. You gotta do it for the culture. You know, I got Culture Motivation right here. But yeah, that's income stream number 5. Just started doing promos on it this month, and it's already made a couple $100s. My 6th income stream comes from this account right here called Hustling Introverts, and it has 10.3K followers on it. I just bought this account a week ago for $350. So in 2021, I'm about to take this page to a whole nother level. I want to get this account to 100K followers in 2021, selling introvert tees and everything like that. Now I know a lot of you guys was commenting on my previous video saying that I actually made this account, which is true. I actually did make this account, but over the summertime, I didn't have time to run this account. So I actually gave this account away to my friend. And then I bought this account back last week for $350. So that's what happened with this account. I did actually make it. I didn't keep it. I actually gave it away. So I had to buy it back because he actually grew the page himself. But as you can see, this account right here, just been selling the introvert tees on it. But it's been only a week. So 2021, I'm going to take this account to a whole nother level, like I said. But that's income stream number 6. Let's move on to number 7. So y'all can see just from building brands on Instagram and YouTube, I'm gonna make around $23,000 to $25,000 this month from building brands on those platforms. So if you're not on those platforms, if you're not building brands on those platforms, you're missing out on a lot of money, man. But y'all know me, man. I be hustling. So there's a couple more income streams I gotta show y'all. So let's move on to the next one, which is investing in stocks. So as you can see in my account right now, my stocks is down today. I'm almost down $400 today. But for the month, I'm up $1,000 investing in stocks. Now I just started investing in stocks. Let me actually show y'all like my transfers. Like this month, like the end of last month, I started putting money in the stock market and everything like that, because before then I really wasn't investing. So I'm still new to investing and everything like that. So don't judge me too hard, but y'all can take a look at my portfolio. I'm actually going to do a video on this in my second channel, so y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is another one of my income streams, investing in the stock market. My next income stream comes from selling shirts. Now, as you can see, I got the Black Hustlers Club t-shirts right here. These were the first designs that I ever tried selling shirts with, and they actually sold out. So if you go on the website right now, you can't even buy these shirts because they're sold out, like I said. So I'm editing this video right now, right? And I know someone in the comments gonna be like, yo, Drell, you just said they were sold out. Why you got 2 of them in your hand? They for me. The fuck, I still gotta represent the gang too, my nigga. So in 2021, I got some more designs coming out. Hey, they some dope designs too, so be on the lookout for those. But yeah, that's my next income stream, is selling shirts and everything like that. My next income stream comes from flipping sneakers, right? Now I talked about this multiple times in my previous videos, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on this, but basically what I do is I buy shoes like this for retail, right? So I paid $170 for these. Now these are going for about $300. All I gotta do is sell them. I bought shoes like this. This is going for about $280, almost $300 as well. And I bought these for $220. So I be flipping shoes, just get them when they come out for retail and then flip them for a profit. Income stream number 10 comes from flipping phones. Now, I talked about this a lot in my previous videos as well. I even have a whole video doing a flipping phones challenge where I just go out and flip some phones. So if you haven't seen that video, go check that video out. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this, but basically what I do is I go on an app called OfferUp, right? I find phones locally and then I lowball them, right? So let's say I see a phone for $150, right? What I'll do is I'll make an offer for like $90 in cash today, and if they accept the offer, I go pick up the phone and then I sell that phone for $130, $140, or even $150 sometimes, and then I just keep the profit. Now the thing with flipping phones is you just gotta make sure you find the right phones. You gotta make sure the phone is not stolen or anything like that. But other than that, that's one of the easiest ways I be making money, and that anybody can go out and make some money just by flipping phones. My 11th income stream comes from affiliate marketing. Now, as you guys know, affiliate marketing is actually how I got my start with making money online. This started everything for me. So affiliate marketing will always be my baby. But as you can see on the screen right here, $400 in the last 30 days from Shopify affiliates. I be doing affiliate marketing through YouTube, Instagram. It's so many different ways I be doing affiliate marketing. And then we go over to ClickFunnels last 30 days for my affiliate earnings, $700. So that's over $1,000 right there just from those two things. And like I said, I do affiliate marketing through multiple different avenues. Now I'm not as heavy into affiliate marketing as I was before, so I don't make as much with it. I only make around $1,500 to $2,000 every single month with affiliate marketing now, but that's still just some extra money coming in. So those are my 11 income streams at age 20. Hopefully this video opens your eyes, man. You can see like, yo, you can really get this money doing this business shit too, and using your mind, because I know, especially being black in America, we was taught growing up, the only way to make it out is to sell drugs, rap, or play ball. Like, those are the three things we was taught. But nah, we could get this money doing this business shit too. And this should really be no debate, because I showed you guys the channels, I showed you guys the pages, I showed you guys the income, I showed you guys everything, man. So I really just wanted to inspire you guys and show you that it's possible, even being at a young age. I'm only 20, I'm turning 21 February 22nd. So like, y'all can do this shit too, bruh. But if y'all enjoyed this video, drop a like on it, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for the culture. And I'm out, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one.